Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy XLM on Trust Wallet updated. Open Trust Wallet, tap Buy or D apps, and choose a payment method. Fund your account with the exact amount for XLM, confirm the rate, and approve the transaction. Wait for network confirmations and check your balance under Stellar Assets. If something seems off, pause and verify addresses before proceeding to avoid mistakes. Create or restore your Trust Wallet, then secure it properly before buying XLM. Write your recovery phrase on paper and store it in a safe place, and never photograph or store it online. Turn on biometric or passcode protection for quick security. Add XLM to your asset list if it does not appear by default, so you can see incoming transactions and balances clearly when you purchase or receive Stellar Lumens. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for background music while you manage crypto. It pairs well with focus sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you like it. Thanks. Now let's get back to the video. Choose Buy in Trust Wallet or use a recommended exchange and send XLM to your Trust Wallet address. Enter the exact amount, review fees, and check the quoted exchange rate before confirming. Approve the payment with your chosen method, then monitor the transaction status in the app. Once confirmed, your XLM balance will appear in Stellar Assets, and you can send, swap, or stake according to your plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.